Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to import your GoPro footage onto your brand new iPad Pro. The first thing you should do, get yourself a USB-C cable, plug in your GoPro to your iPad using a USB-C cable, then go to your Photos app, and then it should pop out automatically import, and then it will get you to this folder, and then just select which ones you want. In the right hand corner it should say start import, or import all, or import selected items. And I did the selected items, like these ones for my vacation. And yeah, and that's it. And then if it says a green check mark, it's finished importing. And and then in the corner it says a tiny circle indicating that it's importing. So yeah, this is my first time importing my GoPro footage on here. It's pretty cool. And the folder is called import, so it should be, after this is finished, I'll show you where I went one more time. Alright, it finished importing. It just giving me a message. If you want to keep the footage on the camera or delete it off the camera, you can delete it off the camera or keep it. So I'll just keep it, and then that's done. And then if it's green, it's done. So it should be, this is where I went. I went to albums, and then I went all the way down to imports, and then there it is. And then if your camera's connected, all your inputs are here. And that's it. And then all my videos are in my camera roll. See, that easy. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And see you next video. Peace.